Hi, my name is Christine Adam, and I'm a voice, accent, and communication coach here to answer questions that you have brought up with me. And today I'm here to offer you 2 tips that are going to make all the difference in your virtual communication. A lot of times when we're communicating virtually, we can forget that we are still in a 3-dimensional environment, even though we're being seen 2-dimensionally. And what this leads to is a kind of like sort of getting sucked into the contraption that we're communicating through. And you can see that even in my body language, this now tells a very different story to the audience. You might just start to notice what story it's telling to you. You can hear that it's having an impact on my voice, which is suddenly less strong. I'm certainly feeling more anxious because it's having an impact on my breathing as well. So it's not maybe the most effective, it's always a choice, but maybe not the most effective habitual stance to take. So when you're communicating virtually, sit in a chair where you can really support yourself using your sit bones. Those sit bones are the 2 bony bones at the bottom of your bum, and you'll notice when you sit on them instead of off them or kind of forward onto them, you'll notice that the spine aligns effortlessly, so suddenly you have your back and you are this more 3-dimensional person in this 3-dimensional environment. It feels more empowering, and it's much more open body language to your audience, which will then, your audience will feel so much more at ease because you are just looking like you're more at ease and sounding like you're more at ease. So that's tip 1. Tip 2 is to just maximize your alignment by making sure that your device is at a height that allows you to have an equal, like a conversation among equals with your audience. So often what happens is that devices are just a little bit too low. So especially if it's a laptop or an iPad, people will kind of have their devices, in a way that they're having to kind of look down at the audience rather than directly at the audience. And you can hear that kind of has a different, first of all, that tells a different story body language wise when you're looking down at your audience, but it also compromises my voice. So if I talk like this for long periods of time, that's going to be really tough on me eventually vocally. And similarly, we don't want the device to be too high also, because you can see that tells a very different story to my audience as well and overstretches my voice in a different way. So lift your device. If it's not quite reaching eye level by itself, lift it on a stand or lift it onto some books until you feel like you've got that equal footing with your audience. So those are 2 tips that I feel like will make a big difference in your virtual communication. Give them a try, let me know how it goes, and if you're finding this video helpful, please share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can always reach out to me at Christine@voicewhatmatters.com. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.